Finally guys, the monitor has arrived. BENQ Mobius gaming monitor. It's 2K resolution, 27-inch. Let's unbox. So this comes with display HDR, AMD FreeSync, HDMI and C-type port, which also has a 65 watts power delivery. So this is the display port type C. This is one more C to C display port type C. This is HDMI cable. This is the power cord. This is the user manual. This is the remote. This is the stand. Big reveal. This is the monitor. This is the monitor holder. Okay. So this monitor comes with a 16 ampere 3-pin plug, which is bigger than the normal 5 ampere plug, so you can't fit it in. So now I have to buy a converter. So currently I have connected my monitor to the laptop using the C-type display port, which also charges my laptop also. Okay, so I'll show you the display settings. So currently it's showing 2K 144 Hertz. I have kept it to 144 Hertz. Okay, I can also choose to 180, and bit depth is 8-bit. This monitor also supports 10-bit colors. So to enable that, I have chosen the display P3 mode. Okay, this is the mode where you will get the display P3 95% color gamut. So this is used for movies and stuff. Okay, to get richer colors and more depth. But the default mode for browsing and other normal working related stuff, you can go to sRGB mode. Uh, I'll be using sRGB mode only most probably, but when I see movies and web series and stuff, I change it to display P3 mode. So once you change it to display P3 mode, come here and go to display and switch on the HDR. I'll show you. I'll switch on the HDR. So now, yeah, yeah. So HDR is switched on, as you can see, and now if I go and show you, yeah, it is display HDR. Okay, it is set to display HDR. So this is the HDR on this thing, it's switched on. Now if I show you the color depth, so now you can see it is 10 bit. So this supports 10 bit, and you also get, I have showed you back ports, you also get here two USB ports, and one headphone jack also. Okay, so yeah, this is the display settings. So I'll show you the main features. Okay, the main feature is HDR10. Okay, it has support of HDR10 and color gamut of 95% P3, and as you can see, display colors 1.07 billion colors. This is nothing but 10 bit. So these two are the main features, and I'll show you one more main feature is this thing. So it also comes with Thunderbolt C-type port, which gives you power delivery up to 65 watts, which can charge your laptop. So it comes for 24K, and it can go down to 23K also in festival periods. So if you want to buy a all-rounder gaming monitor under 24K or 25K, this is the best what you got.